I just read on SonyAlphaRumors.com that Sony patented 500mm f4 and 600mm f4 full-frame lens. Why is this important?
This is exciting for every wildlife and sports shooter because I love the A9, but I didn't have glass for my wildlife photography. I like shooting with a 500 or 600mm, and here they are. They're gonna happen. So we wanna talk about how much they might cost. We're gonna have some predictions here, things that we know, things that we think might happen. Are they even going to be good? These are the questions we want to answer.
I've been shooting with the A9 for more than a year now, and I shoot our daughter's sports all the time, as well as other types of sporting events, and it's the best sports camera. Like, we sold our D5 and our 1DX, and we just used the A9, but all my shooting is done at pretty close range with a 70-200, sometimes a teleconverter. And I definitely miss the bigger lenses that Canon and Nikon have available for sports, and I know full-time pro sports shooters really miss these things. So after a year, I've been like, where are the lenses?
Yeah, I've been waiting for the 400mm that they've been promising. When did they announce that?
400mm f2.8 in October of 2017. They announced it, and now it's scheduled for September of 2018 to be actually released, but that's still not certain.
Yeah.
And we still don't know a price for that either.
No, so no price, and it's not here yet, but I'm waiting. I've been waiting for it. So now to hear that these are coming, it's like, all right, how much longer is it going to be, and what are these lenses going to be like?
From the Sony Alpha Rumors patent pull, it looks like the actual focal length of the 500 f4 is 485mm and f4.12. People don't know that, but camera manufacturers often cheat these numbers a little bit.
We'll cheat, estimate.
Yeah, everything is always rounded in their favor, a little bit longer, a little bit faster than it really is. The 600mm f4 is spec'd at 582mm and f4.12. I compared the Sony G Master lens prices against Canon and Nikon, and they're usually about 15% more. I think Sony prices their bodies down a little bit as a little bit of a loss leader and then builds that profit back into the lenses. So I'm estimating the 500 f4 is going to be available for about $12,000, and the 600 f4 will be about $14,000. What do you think on the quality of them, Chelsea?
Well, I was looking at, I think they're going to be G Master lenses. What do you think?
Yeah,
they've been really focusing on these G Master lenses, and I've been liking the quality of the G Master lenses. I compared the 70-200 G Master, 70-200 2.8 G Master to the Canon and Nikon equivalents on bodies that I thought were somewhat equivalent. And the 70-200 G Master was sharper than those two. I think that they know if they want to hang with Canon and Nikon, their glass has got to be spectacular. So I am hoping and I'm thinking that it's going to be very sharp. Like I said, we're not going off of a ton of information here. We don't actually have copies of the lenses. Nobody does, I don't think. So those are just some predictions.
Thanks again to SonyAlphaRumors.com. We just wanted to bring you this bit of news. Bye.